Okay, we continue hair material, double click in hair material. In this scene, we have a hair that you can see if you render, we have a color, a simple color of this hair that is completely brown like this. And I want to explain backlit color. If you see, the color and the backlit color are the same settings. Just it has a blend. It's blending with the color. In a simple way to explain, the backlit color is for coloring the hair that are in the back of the camera or your scene. It's very simple. If you turn it on, you can see nothing. We have a light at the back of that with a shadow and other two light for lighting front. If you deactivate that, you can see we have a light with the area shadow, interactive. For better seeing the backlit color, it's sitting blue, trip, tint, surface is like color. You can refer to color lesson, previous lesson, and see what happened here. Just in the color, in the texture, I give a color shader to better seeing that. You can see we have a white color at the back. To better see that, go into the color and make it completely red. And now you can see better the backlit color. It's lighting the back of the hair, the hair that you cannot see. For example, if you go to this direction, you cannot see that because it's at the back. Turn it off. Nothing. Okay. So in this angle, you can see better the backlit color. The hair that are behind the hair, you can see. In the reality, it's not really important. In most cases, you don't need to use the backlit color. Okay, that's it. All of the settings are the same to the color, but we can just use a color shader and a simple color, and it's override this color, and then you can blend it with the simple color channel. All of this channel blending with the color. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.